एक्शन कर सकता हूँ ना, जब सुपर पावर मिलेगा मुझे तो जस्ट लाइक फ्री एक्शन.
Amitesh sir, everyone is saying hypothetical only. What do you think? Vandana ma'am, Asma ma'am, me, Neha ma'am, Richa ma'am, we do not have this any kind of superpower. If we would have, so Asma ma'am would have already gone back in 1857. History would have been changed by now.
So I'm
It has to
yeah.
be hypothetical, of course.
So right now I think in my mind one thought create when I uh, when I will
If I get a
uh,
superpower,
if I get a superpower, then I always try to use in IPL match.
you would try to use the superpower in IPL match. Wow, that
Yes,
is
He want to
interesting.
make money. He want to
yes.
make money.
Please, Vanda ma'am, let's be clear about what he wants to use. Now we are saying he wants to make money. He must be saying something else. Amitesh sir, what do you want?
What do you want?
No,
Ma'am,
and I
I
yes, Neha ma'am.
I'm say something.
Sure.
Ma'am, I have felt the pain of I have I have felt the pain of not being able to speak English.
Your sentence is correct, Neha ma'am. Absolutely correct. I'm really sorry, but your sentence is absolutely correct. You have felt the pain of not knowing English, not being able to speak in English. That is what
Okay.
you said,
Yes,
right?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
That is why you want to possess the superpower.
Yes, ma'am.
Wow, Neha ma'am is exemplary. She is. I have felt the pain of not knowing that. That is why I want to possess the superpower. Amazing, Neha ma'am. Amazing.
Thank you so
We
much, ma'am.
will all carry
Dear
that.
ma'am, dear ma'am,
Richa ma'am, please
I want
repeat
to
it.
say something. I want to say something on behalf of Amitesh sir.
Sure, Asma ma'am.
Amitesh sir, Amitesh sir, please listen. If
Vanda
I
ma'am,
Yes.
Neha
could
ma'am.
pose,
Vanda ma'am, Neha
Yes,
ma'am. Can you please
yes,
mute
ma'am.
yourselves? I will also mute myself so that
Okay.
Asma ma'am can speak.
if I could possess a power, so I would like to search a girl who was having beauty with a brain, right, Amitesh sir?
In current
Amitesh sir.
situation, yes, in this current situation, this is a good for me.
What kind of superpower are you talking, guys? I mean, you all are talking. Are we a matrimonial site?
Asma ma'am, so many matrimonial sites are for this.
Exactly, Vanda ma'am. There are so many matrimonial sites. Why do you want a superpower like that? I mean,
Why do you want to waste the superpower on this?
Vanda ma'am has got the point. Vanda ma'am has gotten the point. She's right on the track. She's like, why are you
Ma'am,
wasting Genie's
I
wish?
want to repeat the sentence. I felt the pain of not knowing. Pain.
I'll tell you. I have felt the pain. I'll write it. Wow.
Ma'am,
I have.
I say something. I
I felt.
now I understand.
1 second, Richa ma'am. Just 1 second. I felt the pain of not being able to speak in English. This is what you said, Neha ma'am, right? I have felt the pain of not being able to speak in English, and that is why she wants the superpower. Yes, Richa ma'am, please. Neha ma'am, you saying something? No. Neha ma'am, you saying something? No. Richa ma'am, please.
I say, matlab I understand, ma'am. Where we want to put our superpower.
So now you have understood what it is actually to have a superpower and where do you want to put it. That is why I told you guys, some of you were confused about the superpower. That is why when Amitesh sir started, he wanted to actually eradicate the problem altogether. He was like, I want to be more powerful. So that is why I said when other people will speak, you'll get to know. If anyone wants to speak again and they want to correct themselves or add something, you can speak again. Please, you're free to do so. If anyone has thought of an amazing superpower, amazing new superpower, please do that.
I think, ma'am, one Bollywood movie of Hrithik Roshan, and so in that movie, using this
He used the superpower.
Superpower.
What was the superpower?
I'm little forget, but using a science all thing in this movie.
Which is the movie?
कोई मिल गया.
Amitesh sir, that is not the superpower. It's the supernatural thing which happens by contacting the aliens. And aliens give him the supernatural thing. He became more strong and he did all the questions very fast and
Okay.
became genius.
Right. Vanda ma'am is right.
But everybody wish to happen with us also.
What kind of that incident that happened with Hrithik Roshan in that movie? You want that to happen with you? I also want to meet an alien, but in real life, I also want to meet an alien.
I have seen one movie from Marathi actually. In that, the hero got the superpower of he can able to read the mind of only girls, only women.
Only girls.
Yes. And
I'll
after
tell you.
that, actually I don't remember उसको क्या बोलते हैं. Some kind of jatra. Vandana ma'am, have you heard about this jatra kind of word?
Journey, just like journey, sound.
No.
Cultural journey.
नो गॉडेस का कुछ तो होता है वो. तो उसके बाद वो जब खत्म हो जाती है वो पूजा, आफ्टर दैट ही रिसीव सुपर पावर of to read a mind of women's, and after that he got fed up. Oh my god, how women are talking in their mind.
That is the
Ma'am-
superpower that I was
ma'am,
talking
may I?
about. Sure. Acha, one second before you all speak further, I want to correct something. Okay, so can and able are not used simultaneously in a sentence. They cannot be used simultaneously in a sentence because both the words mean same. So you cannot say I can able to or he can able to. Okay, either it is he was able to or he is able to or the sentence is he can. Because both the words mean same. Can is also ability to do something. Okay, and able is also ability to do something. So can and able are not used together in a sentence simultaneously. Are we good?
Yes.
Are we good? Okay. Someone was speaking.
Yes.
This was actually the thing that I was actually talking about. The same Asma ma'am that talked about. No, so this is also a kind of superpower, to read people's mind, to be able to read people's mind. Okay, so that is also a superpower. So that is
Ma'am,
what Asma. Yeah. Yes, Neha ma'am.
Ma'am, I also saw a movie in which the boy had power of he could ask people after death that how did you kill?
How were you killed? How were you killed?
Yes.
How
Okay,
did
ma'am.
you kill means you killed someone.
Yes.
And how
Okay, ma'am.
were you killed means how were you killed by people.
तुम कैसे मरे?
हाँ, exactly. So how were you? Yeah. How did you die?
Okay, ma'am.
How did you die? Or how were you killed?
मैम how did you kill नहीं होगा ना?
नहीं. How did you kill भी हो सकता है. It's a correct sentence formation, but depend करता है कि आप बोलना क्या चाह रहे हो. How did you kill का मतलब हो गया हिंदी में कि आपने कैसे मारा.
नहीं, मेरा बोलने का था कि
आप
तुम कैसे मरे.
एग्जैक्टली. तो उसका
आप
होगा हाउ डिड यू डाई. किल का मतलब होता है दूसरों को मारना. डाई इज आई डाइड और समथिंग लाइक दैट. ओके,
यस मैम.
करेक्ट वर्ड फॉर्मेशन है, बट डिपेंड करता है कि आप क्या सेंटेंस बोलना चाह रहे हो, तो उसके
Okay.
हिसाब से सेंटेंस चेंज हो जाएगा.
यस मैम.
डन. ओके, नाउ दिस इज आल्सो एन अमेजिंग सुपर पावर टू आस्क पीपल हाउ वर यू किल्ड. अब मुझे लगता है नाउ दिस क्लास इज अंडरस्टैंडिंग व्हाट इट इज लाइक टू हैव अ सुपर पावर. सो वी आर कमिंग विद अमेजिंग सुपर पावर्स नाउ.